All right, you should be on the side that says exponent laws, and these should be a repeat from either algebra or algebra 2. Who remembers x to the a times x to the b? What's the rule when the base is matched? Yes. X to the power of ab. Is it ab or is it a plus b? How many of you think it's ab? How many of you think it's a plus b? Okay, so let's look at it really quick. Let's put some numbers in here real quick so you can see. X squared times x to the third means x times x times x times x times x, yes? How many x's are up there? 5. How can I turn 2 and 3 into 5? Add them. So it should be x to the a plus b. Okay? You don't have to write all this. This is what's important. Okay, when I divide, what do? Subtract. So it should be x to the a minus b. Okay? Oh, I forgot this most important one in the center. X to the power of 0. 1. Anything the power of 0 is? 1. Okay. What do I do? Power to power. Multiply. So this should be x to the ab. A times b, or you can just write ab. It's understood if there's no symbol in between that it's multiplication. Okay, how about this one? You got to distribute the the power. So x to the a, y to the a. All right, let me scroll down. This one, it's the same thing, x to the a over y to the a. And the last one, what do I do when it's a negative exponent? I want the vocabulary word. I heard fraction, but what do? The reciprocal. So 1 over x to the a. Okay? And these are my exponent laws, correct? Okay. These exponent laws will tie into special rules for logs that we will be working on later in the week. No, it's not scary. It's adding and subtracting, right? Okay. Multiplying and dividing, but it's more adding and subtracting than multiplying and dividing, okay? All right. Okay, so today's focus is going to be going from log to exponent, exponent to log, and I'm going to show you some cutesy tricks, okay? So b to the x equals a is exponential form, okay? And now we need logarithmic form. So logarithmic form takes on the form of log, base, answer, equals, exponent. Log sub base, answer, exponent. It'll make sense in a second. Base is a subscript instead of a power. It's a subscript instead of a superscript. Log subscript base answer equals exponent. Okay. And then I have some tricks. Okay. Tricks up my sleeve. Okay. All right, so here we go. Here is something written in log form. Okay? And I'm going to put it in exponential form. Can someone tell me what the word exponent starts, what letter the word exponent starts with? E. So I'm going to do the E trick. I'm going to do the E trick. Are you ready? E trick. E trick. Okay? To go from log to exponent, I do the E trick. So I started at 2, then I hit the number 3, and I ended at 8. So I just went from log to exponential form. Yes, ma'am. 2. because you're going to write smaller than me. So do your E trick here and do your log trick there. Okay? Okay? All right, now what we're going to do is this is in what type of form? Exponential. And we're going to put it in logarithmic form. And logarithmic begins with a L. So I'm going to do an L trick. This one's not as cute, sorry. So I'm going to make an L. Well, that's the L. All right. So it's the log of, what's the first number I hit? What's the next number I touch? 8 equals 3. So you have the E trick and the L trick. Oh, are you really down on yourself already? Okay, I'm going to put up 4. I'm going to put up 4 practice problems. And you're going to do the conversions using either the E trick or the L trick. Oh, I went the wrong way with the arrow. Okay. So the first problem will be, let's go with log 5, 25 equals 2. So you're going to write that in what type of form? Exponential. The next problem is going to be 4 to the 3 is 64. So you're going to write that in what type of form? No, what type? It's already exponential, so I want it in logarithmic form, log. Okay, so then let's do log of 3. 81 is 4. Okay, and then the last one, let's go with 6 to the 3 is 216. So you have 4 problems. This is in log form, so I want an exponential. Exponential, I want in log. Log, you got it? So you're either using the E trick or the L trick. It should take you about a... All right, let's have some fun. Okay, so I'm going to use... I'm going to use the E trick. Boom. So this should be 5 to the second is 25. Okay, I'm going to use the ugly L trick. Okay, so it's log 4, 64 is 3. Log sub 4, 64 is 3. Cool? All right, what trick am I going to use next? The E trick. Woo! And what is that? 3 to the 4th is 81. Okay, the last one, I'm going to use the L trick. So log of 6, 216 is 3. Good? Okay, that is the complete lesson today. You are going to practice converting between styles. Good?